off of my face today.
Everybody's looking out for each other.
I heard a lot of laughing all day and finding out what they could do.
Today's event was Ice Age Trails Trailtessa's Be Empowered event. Opportunity to get women outside onto the trail and experiencing what it is like to help clear and build part of the trail.
The power tools are intimidating to women, I think. So I think it was great to have all of us out here working and understanding that it's not just guys that can do this.
I want women to be able to try these things if they want to. Some might try it and say, no, that's not for me. But at least an opportunity is there.
We cleared a huge area of red cedar. Chainsaw crews were very capable and safe working, and then we burned piles.
I think it's really important to restore some of these areas back to the way they were, to prairie and things like that.
So we just created this amazing vista, that will just last forever. And that's what this is about, is just making something that's going to be here, for our kids and our grandkids.
Oh, this has been so much fun. I've never had the confidence to come out by myself and check it out, and it's a great group of people who have a range of skills, and we're all helping each other out and having fun while doing it.
Women, I don't think they realize how strong they are, and this really gives women an opportunity to find out what they can do. It's nice to know that you're strong enough to handle things.